Upcycling this week. I'm going to try and build a side table using an old oak tabletop, some old oak flooring and a scrap piece of oak worktop. Before skimming it flat on the CNC, it's worth checking for old screws and nails. Skimming it like this seems a healthy alternative to sanding and leaves a nice clean and flat finish. With one side flat, the other side now has to go through the same process. Once it's skimmed and flat, I cut a groove around the edge for the milliput. Although all this work is being carried out using the CNC, it could also be done just as well with an ordinary router. Originally I was going to use a black milliput, but having run out of it, I've opted for the new turquoise blue. For the legs, I'm just going to use some old oak worktop that I had in the workshop. And for the sides, I'm just going to use some old oak floorboards. After marking up the legs, I'll cut the mortises on a machine which really does need the cutter sharpening. You'll probably notice that I wear my gloves quite a lot. I actually have wood allergies, so wearing the gloves helps minimise issues, but I'll always try and avoid wearing them at the table saw where possible. All the edges are then rounded over using a miniature router cutter. After a successful test fit, everything gets glued up. To fix the top on, I'm just going to use these little plastic blocks. I'm not too concerned about allowing for movement on this table. After a quick once over with a tack cloth, I'll give it a couple of coats of Danish oil.